Now this car is going to sell today. Every single one of these that arrive, because of the price range, because of the price of brand new sports, this car and this model represent ridiculous value for money in my opinion. Look at it, it's in Carpathian Grey, it's a D300, so it's a 300 horsepower new engine, HSE Dynamic Black Edition. So we've got unbelievable spec. The car's in Carpathian, black exterior pack, dynamic lights, 22-inch wheels, and look at this, the £3,000 optional extra electric deployable side steps, sliding sunroof, fridge, heated seats, heated steering wheel, massive, massive spec. This car's a 2021, so you've still got warranty with Land Rover till 2024. It looks real good value. It's pretty much half the price of the same car with the same spec in the new model. But this car looks tremendous because of the colour and because of the spec. 22-inch wheels in gloss black. Black exterior packs. We've got the vents on the bonnet. Privacy glass, all de-chromed around the windows. And then you've got full dynamic rear bumper, all in gloss black, against the Carpathian Grey. With the twin exhaust, the car looks tremendous. Inside, I'll start in the back. So because it's a HSE Dynamic Black, you've got a gloss black finish, Meridian rear heated seats, black leather, ebony and ebony roof lining, illuminated kick plates as well, if you can just see the bottom there. This car's covered, I think it's covered 34,000 miles. Them steps, what an extra they are. I know I've mentioned them a few times, but it's very rare that somebody goes to the expense because they're an expensive option on a car like this. You then got memory, Meridian speaker, dynamic steering wheel, ebony leather, beautiful inside, digital dash. And I'm just going to get in and show you. And I mentioned it at the start of the video. This car is a D300, so it's the new engine, which they've put in the new model. So it represents real good value for money. So, sliding roof, tilt and slide. In the centre here, fridge. Dynamic steering wheel, which is heated, and then you've got your cruise control, and then your digital cockpit in front of you. Heated seats, driver and passenger, and you've got heated seats in the rear. And then also, I'll just show you this, because it's a dynamic, you've got the dynamic features, so you've got your grass, gravel, comfort, eco, and the dynamic program there. Slide this along. Apple CarPlay, reversing camera, Android Auto, all the features you'd want really. It's really, really great spec. And then you've got the button for the deployable side steps because you can turn them off and turn them on. It's personal preference. Great car, great spec. Just show you in the back. So you've got electric tailgate, great boot space, great family car as well. Sports are very popular because they appeal to lots of different people. You know, families, there's enough space, men, women. Women like them because they're not too big. And I just think but that one, Carpathian, it's even got a black contrasting roof as well. Sliding roof, 22s, electric steps. What a car. It's going to sell instantly. Give me a call.